Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, as you know that we are learning about the conservation of biodiversity, and we have discussed the different international forums and institutions which are dealing with the conservation of biodiversity at a global level. Today we are going to technically deal this topic. What are the different technical or different techniques, strategies or ways which biodiversity can be protected? Two main terms are used, or studies are used in this connection. Now, first is in-situ conservation, and number second is ex-situ conservation. In-situ conservation, it can be defined as a conservation of plants and animals in their native ecosystems or natural habitats, or even man-made ecosystems where they naturally occur. Now, this type of conservation is applicable to wild flora and fauna, as conservation is achieved through protection of population in their natural ecosystems. Ex situ conservation. If we conserve the species outside the natural habitat in a controlled situation, that we call as ex situ conservation. That's a control. That's also known as offsite conservation. It means conservation of endangered plants, animal species away from their natural habitat under human supervision or human care. Although in-situ conservation is the best strategy for long-term protection of biodiversity, however, for many rare species or species having small population, it's not a viable option in the light of increasing human disturbance. So these are the two strategies or methodologies which are applicable in conserving and protecting the biodiversity. In first one, in-situ conservation, where we conserve the plants and animals in their native natural habitats, there are different categories or the protected area which is earmarked for protecting these flora and fauna that are categorized in different types, like natural parks, wildlife sanctuaries, biosphere reserves. These are main three types of protected areas which are categorized where the in-situ conservation is carried out. In the next session, we will be discussing what do you mean by national parks or wildlife sanctuaries and biosphere reserves. Thank you.